a compilation of some of the greatest entitled parent stories we read over the past year. So sit back, relax, and enjoy a few hours of the most entitled parents you've ever heard of. And by the way, Sharon assured me that if this video gets 1,000 likes, she won't try to speak to anyone's manager for an entire week. So please smash that like button. And if you're new, subscribe and turn on notifications for new stories from Reddit every single day. And become an official member of the Re-Army today, and I'll give you a shout out in an upcoming video. r/entitled parents. Entitled parent tries to coach own daughter on how to treat retail staff rudely. So this is a story about my own mother. Yup, she's the entitled parent. About 2 years ago, I bought the most comfortable bra I had ever bought before. I only had it for about 3 months until the underwire broke free and started to poke me, which really hurt. It happened at university, and when I got home that afternoon, I told my mother about it. It had cost me $60 and was only 3 months old, so maybe it was just defective. They really should last longer than 3 months, so I was going to go to the store and ask for an exchange or a refund. The only thing was, I did not have a receipt. I took good care of my stuff, so I did not think to keep the receipt. I also was not a part of their brand's customer rewards service, as I only bought products there once in a while if they were on a sale, so they could not look up a name or membership or profile with them. I told this to my mom and wondered what I should do. "Well, that's not okay," my mother started. "You do know what to do, right? Let them know that it is illegal for them to sell faulty products. Do not leave the store until you have that refunded. If the cashier says they can't refund it without a receipt, then ask to speak to the manager. They'll sort you out." My mother never worked in retail herself, but I, at this point in time, had been for about 4 to 5 years. I know the annoyance of the phrase, "Can I speak to your manager?" and was not going to enforce that on an innocent civilian. "No, I'm not going to do that," I replied. "That would just be rude." "Well, I could do it for you then. I'll just say, my daughter bought a defective product, which is illegal to sell, and we demand a refund because according to the law..." "No, we're not going to do that either. It's not the cashier's fault that it happened to be defective, so I'm not going to treat them like it is. I'll just go in, explain my situation, and ask what their policy is about refunds without a receipt." So you know what, ladies and gentlemen, that is exactly what I did. I walked in, found the cashier, and explained that my $60 item broke in 3 months, and I did not have the receipt in the friendliest and kindest way possible, because I know how much working retail sucks. The lady said that she did need some proof of purchase, and asked me what day I bought it on. She was so kind and lovely as well. I pulled out my phone, opened my banking app, I looked at transactions 3 months ago, and found the date of the exact $60 purchase. I gave her the date. She typed that into her computer and found a transaction on that date for $60, which was no doubt mine. She printed that off, scanned it, and refunded the original purchase, all while a different attendant found the same item in my size off the shelf and brought all 3 color options to me in case I wanted the replacement in a different color. I chose the original color, thanked both ladies for their amazing help, and walked out of the store with my new and non-defective item. See, Mom? You can't have a social interaction without belittling retail staff, acting like a know-it-all, and God forbid, demand to speak to the manager. Just be kind. Don't mess with a sweet old lady's cat when the neighborhood has a kid who knows everyone. A little about me first. I was a scrapper as a kid and knew everyone in the neighborhood. I made money babysitting kids and knew the older kids because I was permitted to roam. I'm also one of those people that people will tell their darkest secrets to, and I had earned a lot of trust in my neighborhood. I was a pack leader, and people generally did what I said. Okay, enough about me. On to the revenge. This is an old story, back from when I was young. I can't remember the exact age, but it was around 9 or 10, which would be the early 90s. I lived in a small neighborhood. There were not many kids, and the ones there were mostly older. The brunt of the community was older people. The neighborhood was built in the early 40s and filled up with people after WW2, and many of them stayed there. On the block south of me was this old jerk who pretty much hated everyone. If something that was a kid's, like a ball or a frisbee, and the kid asked for it back, he would destroy it right in front of them. One time, a kid